You're looking at a Inert PureSolv MD7 solvent purification system. This is a used system. We removed all the absorbent in the columns, cleared all the solvent out, and regenerated all the absorbent. It's capable of purifying 5 different solvents. So we don't have the original solvent kegs that come with the machine, so we made our own system, and we leak tested out the fitting. And as you can see here, for example, this one, we set the pressure to about 25 psi, and now this solvent keg, as well as the column, the first rollout column, they are all connected, so it's one system. It's pressurized successfully to 25 psi, suggesting that there's no leakage in any of the fitting. And you can see the second system, the third system, the fourth, and the last one. So they're all pressurized to the set pressure, meaning that there's no leak. So of course, we cannot put the solvent in there to show you. That'll defeat the purpose of regeneration. What I'm gonna be showing here is normally how you would be operating this system. So we have the solvent collecting flask. So let me put this back on. Okay, so you start, for example, this is connected to the second solvent. You start with the closed position, and what you do is you evacuate. As you can see, the vacuum in the flask goes down. Okay. And what you do then is refill the flasks, with argon gas or whatever inert gas you use. Here I'm using argon, so I'm gonna refill, switch this to refill, and you're gonna see the pressure go up. I'm gonna stop because I don't want to over pressurize. Okay, and you normally do this 3 times just to make sure that there's no air inside of this flask. And this on this last evacuation, for example, if this is the last evacuation, the pressure go down. Now this is the time you dispense the solvent, and it goes through here, right? So I'm gonna hit dispense here. It's not gonna cause any dispensing because there's a needle valve here. So I'm gonna dispense. As you see, there's no pressure change. However, if I turn on this needle valve here, you're gonna see the pressure go up. Again, I don't want to over pressurize because remember the entire system is under 25 psi of pressure. So that's it for this system. Although it's a used system, it's been completely regenerated, so you're basically using it as if it is a new system.